Want to stop your iPhone from randomly cranking the volume up or down? Here are 2 quick fixes. First, remove any case or cover and press the volume buttons manually a few times. Sometimes a tight case or debris trapped around the buttons can cause them to stick and send phantom presses. Freeing them up solves it, you're all set. If the issue continues, go into Settings, then go to Bluetooth and disconnect any unfamiliar or unused devices. They can sometimes override your volume controls. Then head to Settings, from there go to General. Now tap Software Update and install the latest iOS release. Apple often patches audio-related bugs in system updates. Keep in mind that certain accessories like MagSafe cases, third-party buttons, or old Bluetooth headsets, and outdated software are the usual culprits behind erratic volume changes. Testing without those accessories and staying up to date will nip most glitches in the bud. That's it. If this tip helped, tap like, share your go-to audio fix in the comments, and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.